receive the publishing check. So stop playing with me, boy. Now that was 2000. That was 2004, right?
Right.
It's 2019, right?
Right.
Don't Baby owe that man
I see what's
52
going
million?
on. I see what's going on.
Wait, hold on. Don't Baby owe that man 52 million?
Baby on 52 million.
All right, cool.
I see it. That's what's
so,
up though.
So what that mean? I was telling the truth 15 years ago, huh?
Right.
Oh, okay.
Right. No doubt.
You wanna ask me what role did I play?
No, I'm saying because you was in the video, you was rocking. So I'm saying like,
I was in all the videos. Really.
right. That's what I'm saying. You was rocking.
Yeah, I mean.
What's the question? Just a question. But
it's all good, player. I know. You a young player, so you just trying to catch up on your history. It's all good.
No doubt, no doubt.
You know what I mean? I'm going to tell you like this. If I'd have
Been on
had
the
the hair,
phone.
though, I'd have been unstoppable, man.
Why you say that? This shit right here is not nothing special, bro.
Shit. Nigga, this ain't nothing special. The fuck is you talking about?
I see, but you and Wallow killing the ball head game.
No, we ain't. We just match.
Yeah, y'all is.
We just
y'all got motherfuckers out here wanting to shave their head. Like homeboy that came on.
Hey, you think there's something special? Cut that curly shit off there. Let's see what you look like.
I did. I just grew this shit out. Just grew it. It's cold out here.
Give you a baldy. Watch how yellow your shit be.
I been bald. Straight up. And that should be hella yellow. But yeah. Straight up. That's the move.
But shit, young, I appreciate you tapping in with me, man.
No doubt. Hey, I'm gonna hit back up with you though, for real.
Anytime, yeah.